Hey guys, what is up? It's me here doing a toy review for this season. So today we have got this toy, the Sonic Free Radars Sonic the Hedgehog toy. Now I'm going to show you the box, but if you can see, half of it's on the wall, just there, and half of it is over there. So I'll give you a minute. Just touch my face. So great. This is the box. Kind of the box. But now we're gonna have to go and just check me on YouTube on Xbox, because I'm gonna go check this video. Get on. So if you see the extreme gear, this has got 2 points. Now this has got 14 points. Now the figure is the glasses. I'll show you my old one. Give me a second. Sorry guys, I'll show you my other. This is the broken one. Broke his leg, and I'll show you his glass. Come on, give me a second. There's his glasses, and there's the figure.
But even so, it should be lots of fun. We'll see where it leads.
Let's try
I
him
guess
out.
we should get started and play the game or
There's
something.
the proper
Alright.
full figure, but I usually stick him when he's like this. I don't. If you can see it, both of the eyes are different. One of the glasses on is my new one. Anyway, this one's going away to my brother. So let's get out of here.
Right there.
Tomorrow I'll be doing a video of the Walking Dead season 2. I'm just gonna go and put these in my drawer.
Check it out. Yeah.
Can be, but I put them on.
Here we go.
Just let me get a drink.
Just the face. We'll do. What do we want? Like the reset. I could kind of go for my face somehow, which
The warnings.
I don't know if I'm gonna find it on there. I guess we can really
if you get, you have to.
I don't know,
Please remove all the things
maybe
from
they can green, 'cause green or
the
blue,
box, else the child
that
might
would be
snap
good.
it, or
Randomize
and he has
everything
just got it, and you
make it
can't
blue.
go back
Yeah,
for.
that was great.
It's like £15 for
Adjust the
this
sheet flickering
toy,
out.
and I got it from
And then,
America,
you know, just
which I don't really live in America. I live in the UK.
You know, I was gonna sort of try to make it
If
look
you
like
see
me.
it,
And then,
pink paper wall and
I
those
just, you know,
two,
things got a little bit.
those Easter
Things
eggs.
happened.
There. Those are not my, because I did not used
I mean,
to live here,
I don't know
and
about
it was
you,
my
but I'm
friend.
definitely
So, on Sonic, he is 4 inches when he stands on here. You can put his hands up
This
like
is my
that.
kind of guy right here. This is exactly what I like to
Give
see
me
in
a
a
goddamn
person.
skin.
Hold up.
And
Yeah, gotta get the puffy cheeks.
I'll do that,
Definitely
and
that. How about the hair?
put
How
his
about
head
that hair? I
the
think I'm a fan of the balding. He's
straightforward style,
bit of a
and then you get
right
erase
there.
more
Go
out.
on top of it. And then,
I'll do it.
Oh, ooh, beautiful. Man.
Now let's do it.
Color combo.
Wait.
I gotta say.
So,
is there anything else you can go? Oh, the forehead. Just wipe
right
down
now,
the
guys,
forehead.
I'm sorry that, guys, but whoops,
Dash is not a bad call either.
Doctor's bored, and I do have something else to show you that might be coming out.
That is, you got the green beard. Oh, hey, oh, dude, that looks stylish. Oh, that looks stylish. That's no big deal, bro.
I'm going to show you a little superposer on that.
Oh my god, the buttons
If
on
any
the
of
side.
you haven't got this,
there we go.
this is the new Supersonic Poser. Check it out. I got it the first day I ever went to Smith's to check it out, and got a Sonic toy, so I got him. Yeah, he's kind of cool because you get to move his spikes such as.
Oh, really? Real
And then you get to move them up,
How about
down.
that booty, though?
Now he looks like totally awesome when he's like that. So let's push him back down. Like he's supersonic.
So
I like it better when he's supersonic. And does that look, guys, please comment if that, what supersonic looks like.
See you later, brother.
Sorry, guys.
Oh yeah, we got the our socks.
Hey, I'm on a farm. Challenge.
My first name is
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Now that was my brother being stupid. Oh, look at that.
Subscribe. Put your Sonic figure on there and say hi guys. We're gonna open the Sonic figure.
Tomorrow tomorrow after my
No one got that for me.
doing the collection video. Oh, sorry guys, it's just my box.
Ding 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 ding.
So guys, this will be the end of this video, and bye. 2 minutes. See, bye.